Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live on this, transition back to wintry weather. All of us are going to have windy conditions. Northwest winds ushering in colder air. That's causing problems tonight on area roads. It's extremely slippery because our wet roads of the last 24 to 36 hours have been covered with a little bit of snow in many locations, and now it's freezing and it's extremely slippery. Overnight, expect more moderate snow in places, and at times it's going to be periodic. You'll look out the window like now in Fargo and it's quiet. But from time to time, we're going to have bands of snow. More on that momentarily. By Friday morning, we'll have several inches in some spots. Just measured outside the studios, 7/10 of an inch of slushy nonsense here in the FM area. And that's on top of the wet streets that we had throughout the day. So it's pretty slick out there. Tomorrow afternoon, finally, some of the snowfall will be exiting. However, those gusty winds will continue and temperatures will fall. This evening, as we head to bed tonight, we're seeing some snow showers off to the east and to the south of us. Your forecast, watch what happens to this. It's moving backwards. Typically, systems move from west to east, right? Well, this is going to kind of back its way into the valley tonight. So we are not done. There'll be a chance for more periods of light to moderate snow as we go through the overnight hours, and that's going to be combined with wind. Now, notice the location of the snow. From the Red River Valley off to the east into Minnesota. That's where we'll have the prolonged period of snow, and it gets enhanced when we add elevated terrain like the Black Hills. So places like that could see significantly more snowfall accumulation just because of the fact you have some terrain around with these winds blowing. Also, we notice a prolonged period of moderate to heavy snow. St. Cloud, the Twin Cities area, more lofty snow totals expected there. Tomorrow morning, we start out your day with temperatures that will be in the upper 20s. So still very mild for this time of the year, and then temperatures fall. Snow should be ending in the late morning to early afternoon hours for most locations. Still expecting totals of 1 to 5. I think we'll have close to 2, maybe a pinch more here in the FM area. And then the best chance for 3 to 6 will be down in those Sisseton Hills into southwest Minnesota. That includes Grant County, Wilkin County, Traverse County, and surrounding areas. Hey, another band is set up out in the central Dakotas as well, dropping some snow out there, and they have a lot more wind to worry about as their current winds are still gusting upwards of 50 miles per hour. Our most enhanced area of snow in the Sisseton Hills, we'll have a smattering of that across the central Red River Valley right now, and up north, just a little bit showing up. But the farther we get away from the radar, that radar beam going up at an angle shoots over the top of these snowmaking clouds often. And so we don't get a good picture of the snow falling at a distance from the radar. Current wind speeds are lowest in the treed air country of central Minnesota, but we do have gusts over 40 miles per hour continuing for our western counties. So for the rest of the night and for the day tomorrow, it's a first alert weather day. Look at your current conditions out at Fargo. Those streets very glossy, some of them not too bad, but others very icy. So take it slow. 30 degrees on the thermometer, a light snow shower, and winds at 24 miles per hour. Fargo tomorrow, snow showers in the early part of the day, ending by late morning here. And we'll see a few peaks of sun, especially late, but the winds will be sustained at around 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts over 40 throughout the day. And that's going to cause falling temperatures all day. So your high temperature tomorrow will happen in the morning, and then in the afternoon, most of us will have fallen into the low 20s. A few mid-20s down in the James River Valley. All right, here's a look at a great photo here. This guy listening to that Valley News team's forecast, gathering some nuts to make it through the storm. All right, here's your forecast. It does look quieter and a little cooler on the weekend. Still above average, though, you guys. And as we head into the holiday on Monday, quiet weather. Tuesday could bring some more light snow. It does not look like a big system. We'll keep our eyes on that.
All right, thanks for keeping us posted, Hutch.
You bet.
One area